It is June 24, 2021. The cargo in the van in front of us is BIOBASE popular product, the chemistry analyzer BK Line 200. These chemistry analyzers will soon be sent to Europe, totaling approximately 310,000.
Hello everyone, I am a newly born chemistry analyzer. I will leave here and travel to Europe together with my brothers and sisters. The first step. Leave the room. I am leaving my born room with small steps. The second step. Put on new clothes. 2 people is dressing me. Traveling needs to be handsome and beautiful enough. The third step. Walk out the house. Get on my beloved scooter, walk out the house and meet a new life. The fourth step. Change to an RV. We decided to change to an RV so that our 71 brothers and sisters can travel together. The family has gathered. Go, go, go. The last step. Set off for Europe. Hope to meet interesting people in Europe. Bye bye.
This video is here. I am very happy to see the production process of these chemistry analyzers. I hope to have the opportunity to visit other BIOBASE factories. See you!